Hello everyone and welcome to Workiom. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple trick or hack that is very useful in many cases, whether you are running an agency or you have a development house or simply you have clients and you want to get their feedbacks and be able to update them on the stages and statuses of their demands. Basically, it's a ticketing system. This one is a very simple one. Like the other examples I've shown you, this is done in a simple way just to demonstrate to you how to do the automation, how to create also the public forms, but it's really up to you. The sky is your limit in terms of what data you need, what other process you might also think of. So let me start quickly and jump right into it. So here we have only two simple lists. One is issue, and this is the most important one. It is consisted of the title of the issue reported by the reporter. Here we have the name, their email, which is very important for next stages, as I will show you. The status, here is a very simple status, new, in progress, blocked, or of course you can change it, you can do whatever is relevant to your organization. The creation date, and the description, severity level, the type, so to which department this is reported, and the screenshot. The other one here is just a very simple table in which we have the different departments and who is responsible for each one of them. This will also be helpful if we want to create an automation to send them a notification when a new issue has been reported to their department. So let's go to the issues. Let's see. Of course, here is a calendar view that is very useful in your case, in many cases. So we see here, this is where it's plotted on the creation date. So we had a busy day today. We had 5 reported claims. Here is a Kanban view, also like I've shown you before. It's very straightforward. You can drag and drop as you know things are progressing. Anyway, back to the pub. So as you see here is very straightforward. I shows only this to be shown to the client who is reporting the issue. Otherwise, I shows this to hide the status, solution, and the other information which are reserved for internal use. So let's get into it and get some data into our lists. So this is the public form. I'm going to submit a new response, and here I would say, for example, report tools is not issuing or is not providing time intervals. So here I'm gonna do it on my behalf, on my name, so I can put my email and receive it afterward. So and the level is medium. Type, I would say front end, for example. Could be anything, of course. And I can add a screenshot here, but in this case there is no screenshot. So I'm gonna submit this, and here I will just do a quick refresh, and here is my the new actually issue. So now let's go to automation and see what I've done. So the first thing here I did is the new issue. When there is a record created, send an email to whom? Well, it should send it actually to the responsible as well as the reporters. So let's check, first of all, who is the product, who is in charge of the front end. So here is Henry O'Brien. I've put the email of Henry O'Brien as support, so I should receive both the email. So here indeed, claim sent to Henry O'Brien. Here I got it as actually the reporter, and here as the person. So I received the email twice. Thank for signaling the report tools, so the title, and I will deal with it as soon as possible. So let's jump back here and see what other automation I've created. The other one is also very interesting, and status change. So basically, I say the trigger here is value change on issues on status. So each time there's going to be a change on the status, this automation will be triggered, and we'll send an email to the reporter, basically telling them how his claim is being moved and how it's being treated. So let's put this into action. I'm going to go here to the issues, then actually to the status. So this will, be easier for me. I'll move it here to new. So this actually is, just to make sure there is a confirmation. Then I will move it to in progress, blocked, in review, and closed. So that should be actually in total 5 email I received. So let's see how many I did receive, and indeed I have 5. And as you see, I have the date and with the time and this new status each time, I move forward. So blocked, in review, and close. So this is one fun way to deal with this ticketing system. We can also, do many other stuff, like, for example, calculate the severity on its own. We can also include this into our agile system template. So let me go back here to we have here our agile system product. No, actually, this is not it. So as you can see here, we have product planning, which is our agile system. And here in the agile system, we have issues, sprint, tags. So we can actually put here in this place our tickets and make this all work together in a synchronized way. So I hope this was, interesting and fruitful for you. If you have any question, please let me know and email me at sinan at workiom.com.